In this video, I'm going to show you how to day trade on eToro. Now open your application first, and now I'm going to explain you step by step on how to day trade on eToro. First is to day trade on eToro, you can consider the following. First is to have the right tools, wherein you may want to use two monitors to have multiple windows open at once, wherein by this, you need to strategize on how you are going to day trade on eToro. There are many days trading strategies such as buying the dips, price averaging, and fading. Now, start small. You don't want to start from a huge amount, since starting from a huge amount means a huge loss if you don't have any strategy or you are just starting on eToro. Now, begin with one type of asset and one strategy. Now, from third is have enough capital. You should have enough capital to cover initial losses. You don't want to trade the whole amount of money that you have without you have enough capital, which means if you lose it can cover the savings or the financial amount that you need to do onto your personal life. Fourth is be disciplined. Stick to your strategy and trade the plan. You don't go like winning, losing, and then after losing, you're going to catch the lose. Wherein from here, you're going to lack of discipline. Now be sensible. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Don't trade a specific amount. Like, for example, you have a salary of $1,000 and you're going to trade that amount, wherein it is a high risk and high pay, wherein if you lose that amount, you'll be here on have enough capital and be lack of discipline. Now be patient. Intermittent losses are part of the day trading. eToro has a pattern day trading, which is a rule that limits the number of times an investor can buy and sell the same security in a single day. An investor can day trade more than 3 times. Remember that. Can day on more than 3 times in any 5 market days. eToro terms and conditions also prohibit scalping. Now, from this step by step or on how to day trade, all you need to do is to have this 6 or 7 strategy enabled for you to day trade on eToro. But always remember that an investor can day trade more than 3 times. So I suggest don't be an investor. And that's how to day trade on eToro.